the stupidest person on the face of the earth.
Here you are, Neil. NASA's massive hangar. Hangar 1, made in 1933. Now sold to Google. And you can see the roof structure in this. It's a square lattice metal roof structure right over. And here's proof of where the photos were taken coming up. Here you are, Neil. AS11-40-5950. Another one you claim you took. And there's no hills on the horizon. But there is something very special about this photo. Let's take a look at it when we brighten it up. There you are, Neil. Take a look at that photo when you brighten it up. Look at the sky. You can see the square lattice metal frame structure for the roof of that hangar. And here you are, folks, further proof of those photos being taken in that massive hangar. Here's the hangar. You can see the square metal lattice structure for the roof.
The challenge that we laid down to ourselves was that we were going to photograph men walking on the moon in a way that's never been photographed before.
To take viewers where only 12 men have gone before. 3,500 tons of dirt and nearly 2,000 tons of pulverized granite filled a 298,000 square foot blimp hangar.
We are using, I think, a bigger set than anyone has ever used before. We have about 3/4 of an acre of moon, which is never big enough, unfortunately.
You can see the fatal M, and you can see a helium balloon with wires underneath that they used to do their light hopping along to make it look as if they were in slow motion on the moon.
The greatest challenge is eliminating the effect of gravity. That's what we're using our helium balloons for, to create, to reduce the weight of our astronauts to 1/6 their real weight and create the look of what it would be like for them to move on the moon.
For accuracy, the topography of the moon set changed to match the different landing sites of each lunar mission.
Everything we're trying to do with the stuff on the lunar surface is to show it in a way that's never been done before, and to honestly make it feel as though the viewers are the third astronaut that are on the moon with these guys.
And as you can see, an explanation as to why Neil couldn't see any hills.
When you were actually walking about, did you have any difficulty in distance judging? Because I think I heard you say once that far things looked quite near.
Yes, we had some difficulties in perception of distance. For example, our television camera, we judged to be from the cockpit of the lunar module only about 50 to 60 feet away, yet we knew that we had pulled it out to the full extension of a 100-foot cable. Similarly, we had difficulty guessing how far the hills out on the horizon might be. The peculiar phenomena is the closeness of the horizon due to the greater curvature of the moon than we have here on Earth, of course 4 times greater, and the fact that it is an irregular surface with crater rims overlying other crater rims. You can't see the real horizon, you're seeing hills that are somewhat closer to you.
Because there are no hills. It's just a flat surface inside that massive hangar. There you are, folks. There's another case now where you got the brilliant expat Taffy,
The stupidest person on the face of the earth.
caught Neil Armstrong blatantly lying through his teeth.
Perhaps we should shoot him.